everyone, Renika Hayes here with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, and today we're talking about the plan of service within a CPS case. Let's start by answering the question, what is a plan of service in connection with a Child Texas Protective Services case? Think of it as a lifeline. It's a roadmap for how parents like Sarah and Mark can prove they are capable parents in the eyes of CPS and regain custody of their children. Now let's dive into the story of Sarah and Mark. They were an ordinary Texas couple, deeply in love and devoted to their two young children. But their world crumbled when the Texas Department of Child Protective Services came knocking at their door. The concerns raised by CPS about their home environment were enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. Sarah and Mark were faced with an agonizing choice: fight to keep their family together or succumb to despair. That's when they turned to us, their experienced family law attorneys, to help them create a plan of service that would prove to CPS that they were willing to do whatever it took to provide a safe and loving environment for their children. The first challenge they encountered was a home in disrepair. CPS identified potential hazards that needed immediate attention. It was a race against time as they hurried to their home into a safe, better environment for their kids. But that was just the beginning. The plan for service demanded more things to be changed. It required Sarah and Mark to attend parenting classes, not just as parents, but as warriors for their children's well-being. These classes would be their chances to prove they were dedicated to their children's future. Their attorney evaluated the plan of service to make sure it was fair and that it gave Sarah and Mark the opportunity to prove their worthiness as parents. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Sarah and Mark followed their plan of service diligently. Every repair, every parenting class, every effort was meticulously documented. Those records were their lifeline, their evidence that they were not just making promises, but they were making changes. The journey was long and filled with endless determination, but finally the day arrived when they completed their plan of service. Their home was transformed and they were greatly improved parents and had better parenting skills. With their attorney's guidance, they stood before CPS, ready to prove their caseworker their incredible progress, and it was a defining moment for their entire family. But remember, the plan of service isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a tailored plan unique to each family's circumstances. That's why having a skilled legal partner who understands Texas CPS cases is valuable and important. If you find yourself on a similar path or know someone who is, remember that the plan of service isn't just a piece of paper. It's the key to reuniting your family and the light at the end of a long and challenging tunnel. If you find this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe for more essential information about Texas family law. Thank you for joining me today, and stay strong, keep the faith, and never stop fighting for your family.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.